I'm Dr. Mugdha Raut, a practicing obstetrician and gynecologist with special interest in the field of reproductive immunology. We have a center in Santa Cruz, Mumbai, India, where, along with my husband, Dr. Mohan Raut, we treat couples with unexplained repeated pregnancy loss, unexplained IVF failures, or unexplained infertility with the help of reproductive immunology, especially active immunomodulation in the form of lymphocyte immunization therapy and other passive immunomodulatory treatments. Our center is called Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, and it is located in Santa Cruz, Mumbai. Today, let me tell you how telemedicine can be an effective tool in reproductive immunology treatments. As I said, we have a center in Mumbai. Now, this brings many limitations in the minds of the doctors and the patients. Main being, how can I send my patients there? Or patients say, how can we come there? It is very far away. Now, the main reason why patients have these inhibitions are, or doctors also have the inhibitions are, traditionally, medical treatment involves, apart from history, examination, diagnosis, investigations, and then treatment. And this may require multiple visits to the doctor. So, this brings limitations for both the doctor and the patient. The doctor has a limit as to who he or she can see. And the patient also, more importantly, the patient has limitations in the form that they cannot get medical treatment without difficulty. And therefore, some patients may not be able to access good medical treatment. However, friends, technology has advanced a lot and internet has reached even many remote areas. Recently, one of my patient, Arpita, called me up and said, Doctor, I want to send one of my friends for lymphocyte immunization therapy to your center. This patient, Arpita, had undergone lymphocyte immunization therapy after two miscarriages, and now she has a successful 9 months. She has a child who's 1 year old. She said, but doctor, my friend uh, is located in Goa. I could come to your place because I live in Mumbai, but this patient is living in Goa, so they may not be able to come and see you. Will you be able to help this couple? And do you have any center in Goa? I told her, Arpita, definitely we can help this couple. We can book a telephone consultation. Patient can send us the reports uh, via email or any other ways convenient to them. Once the reports are seen, the history is noted, the patients can do the investigations and send us the investigations. Then Arpita said, but madam, you had always said that these are very highly specialized treatments. So is it possible to get the investigations done in Goa? So I said, yes, it is possible. These are highly specialized investigations. However, for this reason, we have collaborated with very leading pathology laboratories all over India, where the tests can be done which are required by our center. Either it is done by patient going to the lab near their house, or wherever possible, it is done by the home visit. Now, once the investigations are done, The patient can has to come from Goa to Mumbai only for 4 hours, only once. And we have this technology in place for a very long time. So this is how we can help many couples, and we have helped many couples, especially during the COVID pandemic. During the COVID pandemic, many couples were not able to travel to Mumbai. So we could do telephone consultation with them in the safety of their homes, and the patients were ready with investigations. However, due to the lockdown, they could not come to Mumbai for the lymphocyte immunization therapy. As soon as the lockdown was over, the couples came to Mumbai and underwent lymphocyte immunization therapy. Interestingly, during the pandemic, one gynecologist from Amravati saw our webinar, and she called us up and said that I have a patient of 6 miscarriages, but the patient is now in Jaipur. So the doctor emailed us the patient's history. The patient then booked a telephone consultation with us from Jaipur. The investigations were done in Jaipur. Patient was ready with the investigations. The patient needed lymphocyte immunization therapy. So the patient was ready with the investigations. And as soon as the lockdown was over, they came down from Jaipur, and uh, they underwent lymphocyte immunization therapy and went back to Jaipur in one day itself. Now the patient is 6 months pregnant. She is currently following up with another doctor in Jaipur with whom we have coordinated about the passive immunomodulation which is required for that patient. Now, this doctor in Jaipur, when she saw that telephone consultation was possible, she has referred 3 more patients already. So, friends, technology has advanced a lot, and wide and proper use of technology in medicine can definitely help couples to have a baby of their dreams. I very well remember the words of this patient when she said that, Madam, when I first came to know that it is very, when I came to know about the treatment, we thought it is going to be very difficult for us to go to Bombay and take the treatment. But when you explained to us and you told us that this is, we are using technology and we are doing it not only in India, even for patients outside. We have SOPs which we can help you to give your IVF centers, or which we can give your gynecologist. We can talk to them. It seemed so easy. We just had to come from Jaipur only for 4 hours to Mumbai and went back the same day. And see, doctor, today I'm 6 months pregnant, which I've never been able to achieve in the last so many years of my marriage. I really want to thank you for this system. So, friends, technology is so advanced, and the wide and proper use of technology will definitely help many more couples. I would really like to end this by thanking all of you for a very patient hearing. Now, there are some queries which always come to the patient's mind or the doctor's. How can we contact you? We can be contacted through uh, our helpline number, which is +91 9833 20 1522 9833 20 1522 anytime from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Monday to Saturday. Another question which many patients ask us is, do you have a website? Yeah, our website is www.icprm.in. And one of the most common question which has been asked very commonly whether in India or abroad is, can we collect the husband's blood and send it to you in Mumbai? This is a very important question. Friends, the success of lymphocyte immunization therapy depends on the viability of the CD200 surface markers which are present on the lymphocytes, which do not remain alive if they are not kept at a particular temperature and within 6 hours they do not remain alive. So, we have to use fresh blood from the husband, prepare the sample, and then again immediately inject it in the wife. Otherwise, the efficacy of the therapy is lost. That's why we do not use even blood which is stored in the blood banks. We use fresh blood from the husband. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mohan Raut, who is also a partner in the lymphocyte in our center for Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology. He is the one who started this project along with Oxford University way back in 1991 and continued it. Uh, he is asked a question: how do you help manage patients post LIT? Uh, since most of the patients, many of our patients are not from Mumbai, or even the patients from Mumbai, post LIT, there is a certain protocol which is to be decided based on the patient's history, and we have to individualize the protocol. So we then coordinate with their either IVF specialist or with their gynecologist wherever they are, and we recommend certain medicines which have to be used, which help to enhance the efficacy of active lymphocyte immunization therapy, because the body has certain immunological memories which have to be erased during after lymphocyte immunization therapy. I hope that answers the question. And thank you once again. As I said, our helpline number is 9833201522 on Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And our website is www.icprm.in. Thank you once again.